Hello everyone, welcome to Travel with Coconut Joe. Vietnam is an incredible destination, but there are always lessons learned from every trip. So if I could plan my Vietnam adventure again, here are 5 things that I would do differently. Number 1, bring a proper credit card. Bring a credit card if you're traveling to Vietnam that works seamlessly abroad. I brought a bank card from Canada and it was such a hassle. You need the credit card to pay for domestic flights or excursions online, and the bank wanted to send a text verification, which is impossible when you don't have your Canadian local phone number to receive it. So yes, we need to find a proper credit card with no foreign transaction fees. Number 2 is I would choose Cat Ba Island instead of Ha Long Bay. Ha Long Bay is stunning, but if I had listened to my family, we would have went with the Cat Ba Island. And it is just as breathtaking, but it's less crowded, it's more affordable, and if I were to do it over, I would opt to choose that way. And that leads me into number 3, which is booking cruises locally, not from home. So we booked the Vietnam Ha Long Bay cruise from Canada and thought I got the best deal that I could find. However, when we were there, I saw signs that were significantly lower, not apples to apples, but Ha Long Bay cruises. And definitely that leads me to believe that book your cruise in Vietnam if you can, and you will probably get a much better deal. Number 4, travel with carry-on only. Our checked bags got lost on our route to our extended layover in Hawaii. And the time wasted with trying to track our bags and then scramble to buy things last minute. Then we arrived in Vietnam without our personal items. Oh my God. From now on, it is like carry on only, pack smart, and avoid any lost luggage. Number 5 is spending more time in Ninh Binh. We absolutely fell in love with Ninh Binh and the Tam Coc area. Even though we spent over a week there, we would have allowed for even more time because the relaxed countryside vibe and the beautiful landscape, it was just a must-visit destination, and we loved it, so we would have wanted to spend even more time there. So make sure you check that out. And now as a bonus, I'm going to tell you a few things that I would do again in Vietnam. And the first one is the Ha Giang Loop. It ended up being the highlight of my trip. Even though I was hesitant on going in the first place, it exceeded my expectations. If you want thrill and adventure and a lot of fun, then put this high on your list. You're going to love it. Next is the boat tour in Ninh Binh. We chose the Trang An boat tour and it was excellent. It was professional and scenic and peaceful. We avoided the Tam Coc boat tour because we read reviews about pushy vendors, and we felt like we made the right choice and we highly recommend it. It was a really, really great adventure. And next was our travel route. We started in Ho Chi Minh City and we ended in Hanoi, and it worked perfectly. We were able to travel throughout the country and not have to backtrack for an international flight. So if you're planning a trip, you should start either in the north or the south and go with the season, and that would be the best experience. Traveling in Vietnam is full of surprises, both good and bad. I hope these tips help you plan an even better trip. Let me know in the comments what you would do differently in Vietnam. Be sure to check out our Discover Vietnam playlist for more tips. Thanks for watching.